Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the dark mode not turning on. Simply go to settings and tap on the option display. First of all, you need to select the option dark mode. So if you select the option dark mode, still it is not turning on, just turn off any scheduled dark mode settings. Tap on the option dark mode settings. If you enable any dark mode scheduled timing, just turn off this one. Okay, and just restart your phone. If dark mode won't active on your Android phone, this phone, it may be caused by scheduling conflict or software glitches. So if you are doing these 3 steps, then it will fix the dark mode not turning on. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.